Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to take the Interceptor out and just a quick ride around the neighborhood. Got my grip puppies installed, much more comfortable for my hand. Simple throttle lock installed. It's a handy thing to have when you need to free up your right hand for a minute. My tech levers came today for the clutch and the brake. Installed those. A simple install, not a big deal, nothing really worth doing a video for. Levers have a nice feel to them. They're also adjustable. It's got 6 adjustment positions here to move the lever to where it's comfortable for your hand and your hand size. Put the same ones on my Himalayan and very comfortable. Okay, don't forget to ride smart and ride safe.